Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. I'm the creator of the Divi Carousel Maker plugin, and today we have an update version 2.1 with some new features that I want to show you. Go ahead and hop over to the blog post if you're watching this on YouTube. The link to that is in the description down below. Let's take a look at the new settings that we have here. So the first settings we'll look at are the new slide counter settings. So this isn't anything too crazy, but it's kind of a nice thing. Now you can put below your carousel, either in the left, center, or right side, the number of slides that you have in the carousel and which number is currently active, like which one is in the middle. So basically, when someone is viewing your site, they will see something like this. In fact, let me go to our demo site and show you an actual live demo of it. All right, so I'm just looking on our demo site. I found demo 29 has it enabled. So you can see down below, well, I have the navigation arrows and the controls and everything, but you can see what number we are on. Now it's on 1 of 4. So there's going to be the number of the current number that it's on, and then the divider, and then the total numbers. I'm not sure if I added that on any other ones here, but that's okay. We'll look at those later, but basically it allows you to do that. And now you may have noticed the screenshots here. I won't even open up the builder. I'll just show you the screenshots. We have a new toggle, slide counter settings, and then inside that are 3 tabs. Common, so any design settings that are related to both the slide number and the total slides. And in fact, here you can see there's a separator color and the separator size. You can do the slide counter alignment, and then in the actual number, that's the first number, so 1 of 4, right, or something. You can change, the font and the colors and things like that. And then the total slides, the same things, the normal design settings that you would expect for something text related like that. There you can see a different example. In fact, that was another demo. All right, so number 50 here also has this feature, showing it active on our demo site. All right, so next is opacity for the navigation controls. Now this is actually pretty nice because we have some pretty nice navigation controls. So we have numbers, we have dots, and we have images. This would work exceptionally well with images, like in this screenshot here, where there are thumbnails of the person who is giving the testimonial. So what I did is change the opacity of the ones that are not active to like 50% or whatever it is, and it makes the one that's active really stand out. Let me look for a demo of that. In fact, number 3 here has the slide counter. Didn't even see it there. All right, so here is a basic example. There's 3 slides here, and you can see the one is larger, but besides being large, it also has an opacity set on it. So you can do things like that now with both the default and active controls, and that will work for the dots, images, and the numbers. Here's another one that is related to that, and this is only for the images, but it's a new setting called Make Thumbnail Controls Full Width. And you can kind of see from these example screenshots. So here it is, just normal, and then below it would be enabled. And you can see it's like a film strip, right? And it's making those control images fill the width. Now, you would have to use this carefully depending on how many controls you actually had. But in this example, it's like the perfect amount for it to work well. And it just basically takes those images and it fills a container, equalizes them, right? So that's what that setting is doing there. All right, so one more main setting here is pause auto scroll if a video is playing. So basically it came to our attention that if you had auto scroll enabled and you had videos in your carousel, you would click a video and it would start playing, but then it would slide off the screen. All right, so by the way, the settings for this are in the scroll settings, because it is related to scrolling. So here, pause auto scroll if video module playing, and that is on yes or no. So we can do that, and then once that's enabled, then, like when we are viewing the video, we can just enjoy watching it until it's finished playing. And as always, there are improvements and fixes that we are always doing. One thing that I will mention here is the improved free swiping. So like when you're on your phone and you go to flick, kind of like more of like a flick, it'll actually go more than just like the one when you have the unrestricted swipe and drag setting enabled. Before it was still limiting that a little bit, so that should be improved. All right, so there you have it. That's our 2.1 update. If you enjoy that, let us know, and if you have other feature ideas, we are always open to that as well. So we hope you enjoy it, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.